Okay, today we'll talk about the components of physical fitness कि भाई जो फिजिकल फिटनेस है उसको कैसे बेसिकली रियलाइज किया जाए कि कितना फिजिकल फिट है कोई इंडिविजुअल कि कितनी कैपेसिटी है उसके क्या पैरामीटर्स हैं सो दैट इज ओनली पॉसिबल बाय द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द फिजिकल फिटनेस ओके सो the first components of the physical fitness is strength. There are 5 components. The first is strength. So strength क्या है जिसको हिंदी में हम ताकत कहते हैं और we can also call it power. So this is the first components of physical fitness. अब ये power है क्या? Strength है क्या? So basically it is an ability of muscles to overcome resistance. Strength is an ability of muscles to overcome resistance. So देखिए ये muscles की ability है to overcome any resistance. Resistance in sense it's like something like load. So it is the ability of the muscles कि हम वो जो लोड है जो रेसिस्टेंस है टू एक्ट अगेंस्ट दैट लोड टू एक्ट अगेंस्ट दैट रेसिस्टेंट दिस इज व्हाट द स्ट्रेंथ ठीक है नाउ स्ट्रेंथ इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 पार्ट्स फर्स्ट थिंग इज स्टैटिक स्ट्रेंथ एंड सेकेंड इज डायनेमिक स्ट्रेंथ एंड फर्दर द डायनेमिक स्ट्रेंथ इज ऑल्सो कैटेगराइज्ड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स maximal strength, second is explosive strength, and third and last is strength endurance. So let's talk about the static strength. Static strength है it is also known as isometric strength. Why it is known as isometric strength I am going to explain you now. See static strength है क्या? It is the ability to act against resistance from single or one position. कि यहाँ पे जो अपनी muscles are working to act against resistance. Yes, of course, because we are talking about the strength. But what is happening here? The key thing is here कि resistance from single or one position. For example, if I am going to push a wall, I am going to push this wall like that. So my position, it's single, one position. I am not changing my position. It is single position. It is one position. So here I am applying strength, no doubt. My muscles to overcome resistance. But thing is that there is no what we'll say the muscles length is not going to change in this thing. The muscles length is remaining same, neither it is shortens nor it is lengthens. So the key thing, that is why it is called isometric, because the meaning of iso means same and metric means length. That means in this kind of strength the muscles length will remain same. That is why it is also known as isometric and static strength. Here what happens, again I am telling you, it is the ability to act against resistance from one position. इसका और एग्जाम्पल अगर हम देते हो तो when we are doing arm wrestling, in arm wrestling the position remaining one, we are applying resistance, the muscles are working against the load, but the length of muscles are not changing, neither it's decreasing nor it's increasing. That is the what is the key issue here. Okay, so I have given you 2 examples like pushing the wall or arm wrestling. Even when we are picking up like deadlift, okay, we are picking up the weights like that. So in that case the length of the muscles remaining same, whereas the resistance is coming over the muscles, no doubt, but the length is here is remaining same. That is, I hope you understand the first you understand the strength. I told you very clearly, and now I told you about the static strength. Now we will talk about the dynamic strength, also known as isotonic strength, and it is related to movement. It is related to movement. भाई इसको isotonic strength इसलिए कहते हैं कि it is related to movement. For example, if I am doing dumpling, so my muscles are in the actions. My muscles are contracting. So my muscles are against the resistance. But what is happening here? The length of the muscles are shortened as well as lengthened, decreasing and increasing. That is why it is called the isotonic, because the meaning of isotonic, iso means same and tonic means this thing, tension, means the tension of the muscles will remain same, but the muscles size will decrease or increase, कम और ज़्यादा होगी. So इसलिए that's why we called it isotonic strength. Now next is isotonic या dynamic strength is further divided into three parts, and the first thing is maximal strength. देखिए जो isotonic strength है that is used in all the games, basketball, all most of the games we are using isotonic strength. And one more thing I am telling you about the strength, that each specific game requires different strength. Some games need less strength, some need more strength. Some our day-to-day activities require less strength, some need more strength, but the strength can be increased by doing regular training. That's why we are studying the physical education. We are the person, we are the only responsible about our strength. We can very well increase it by doing regular physical activity or regular physical exercise. And if we don't do anything, then definitely we can decrease it very well. So we are responsible for our strength, है ना. यही तो बात है कि हम फिजिकल एजुकेशन पढ़ रहे हैं. सो बात करते हैं मैक्सिमल स्ट्रेंथ. देखिए मैक्सिमल स्ट्रेंथ इज लाइक मैक्सिमम रेसिस्टेंस, कि हमारी जो मसल्स हैं वो कितना रेसिस्ट कर सकती हैं. व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी ऑफ आवर मसल्स, दैट इज मैक्सिमल रेसिस्टेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल अब मैं थाई स्क्वाट कर रहा हूँ. आई एम हैविंग ए रॉड हियर and 30 kg weight on this side at the end of the rod and 30 kg this side. So what is my maximum capacity? Is it, can I able to take more 10 kg or no? So the maximal strength, or what is the maximum resistance of the muscles is known as maximal strength. Now coming to the second, explosive strength. Explosive strength means high speed, means मैंने मैक्सिमम लोड भी लिया हुआ है, मसल ने मैक्सिमम लोड लिया हुआ है, बट व्हाट इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द डूइंग द टास्क, मीन्स मैं कितना क्विकली स्पीडली वो एक्टिविटी कर सकता हूँ, मीन्स वहाँ पे मेरी स्पीड कितनी है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सप्लोजिव. कई बार हमें बोला जाता है जब हम बेंच प्रेस करते हैं, बेंच प्रेस आई थिंक यू ऑल नो, मैंने अपने पहले वीडियो में आपको प्रैक्टिकली बताया था कि इन बेंच प्रेस वी आर लाइंग डाउन ऑन द बेंच, holding the bar in our hand like that and having the weights on the bar. So in that case sometimes कोई बोलता है कि और we decide कि let's go for the explosive. So explosive means quickly, rapidly हम कितना quickly bench press कर सकते हैं, whatever, whether 10 or 15. So it means explosive strength means high speed with maximum resistance. And now coming to the last, that is strength endurance. It's basically the combination of strength and endurance. Means अपनी बॉडी और मसल्स कितना एबल है फटीग कंडीशन में, फटीग कंडीशन अंडर फटीग कंडीशन होने के बाद भी हाउ मच वी आर एबल टू कंटिन्यू सस्टेन दैट एक्टिविटी, दैट इज समथिंग नॉन एज स्ट्रेंथ एंड्योरेंस. मीन्स अंडर फटीग कंडीशन, भाई जब भी हम कोई टास्क करते हैं, वर्क करते हैं, एक्टिविटी करते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स द फटीग कम्स, मीन्स थकावट आती है, बट स्टिल वी आर परफॉर्मिंग, स्टिल द एक्टिविटीज कंटिन्यू दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द स्ट्रेंथ एंड इंडोरेंस। यहाँ पे आप देखिए इंडोरेंस का मतलब होता है किसी भी एक्टिविटीज को लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए, मतलब लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए परफॉर्म करना। टाइम मीन्स कोई डेज की बात नहीं हो रही। इंडोरेंस, दैट इज कॉल्ड अवर इंडोरेंस। इंडोरेंस क्या है, इसको सेपरेटली चैप्टर है। So strength endurance is basically the combination of strength as well as endurance. Yes, that means our muscles are performing task again, working against resistance, but how long? Even after fatigue condition, that is known as the strength endurance. So this is all about the first components of physical fitness. पहला हमारा components था, 4 components और हैं, we will talk in the second video. So first component of the physical fitness is the strength. And what is strength? I am summarizing very quickly. It is an ability of muscles to overcome resistance. And what is strength? Strength को मैंने बताया, it's divided into 2 parts, that is static strength, dynamic strength. Static strength is also known as isometric strength. It is the ability to act against resistance from one position or single position, whereas dynamic strength is related to movement. And the dynamic strength is also categorized into 3 parts. First is maximal strength, second is explosive strength, and the last is strength endurance. So this is all about the first component. This is all about the strength of the that is the first components of the physical fitness, strength. I hope you understand very well. Bye bye, have a great day.